You look great. Maybe you should do a little Dutch dance.
That. These shoes don't fit me.
I know, they really don't, do they? We'll have to go to the Netherlands and get you some.
Go.
Why don't you turn around once so we can see the back? That looks great.
Hard to walk.
You look just like a Dutch boy. You want to take the shoes off and walk a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't you hold him? That looks cute too. Maybe you could step over by the flowers there in the front.
Oh, but there's all water over there. See? Yeah.
Take your hat off.
Oh.
Are you hot?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn it off now, okay?